How to set up Hey Google on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Hey Google on your Android device so you can start using voice commands with Google Assistant. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings app, simply scroll down and look for the option labeled as Google. And once you have located it, simply tap on it. Now here, you will see that you are signed into your Google account. So at the top right, simply tap on all services, and after that, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Search Assistant and Voice. And from here, you'll see a section called Google Assistant. So simply tap on it and then select Voice Match at the top. Now just toggle on Hey Google, and this is what lets your phone respond when you say the phrases. Now you'll be prompted to set up voice recognition, so tap More, I agree, and then select a few sample phrases like Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes, and this helps your phone to learn your voice. And that's it. Now your Google Assistant is ready to help you with anything from setting reminders to answering questions on the go. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.